Kiss Mineral ni adalah produk yang selamat kerana dia diperbuat daripada bahan-bahan semula jadi, dan terutama bagi kulit saya yang sensitif, dia sangat sesuai.
Easy to use, it's fast to use.
I really love Kiss Mineral. Surprisingly, certified.
Describe Kiss Mineral in a word or a sentence. Well, in a word, it will be astonishing. In a sentence, I guess it would be I'm quite amazed with the amount of research that has gone into the technology of how you make minerals into makeup. Amazing. Okay, so I've used a couple of your products in the last couple of weeks, but personally, I think your star product is this one, this drop aftershave for men. Initially, I used it after a shave in the morning, and then I tried it. I realized that it works very well with the skin. It didn't irritate the skin, and I think people who've got sensitive skin should give this drop a try.
Okey, selepas 2 sesi mandi Kiss Mineral, saya dapati produk yang dihasilkan oleh Kiss Mineral sangat selamat, semula jadi, dan apabila digunakan sangat menakjubkan kepada kulit dan muka kita. Yes.